Hey guys, this is Fundom on Parama. Tonight on Imbewu, Mzwandile ensures Sakile that Slindile will be a advantage. Using the gun, Zitulele treating Nozinho and get the license plate. After Nozinho wanting $500,000 from Zetulele to be silenced. But Nozinho is not done yet about Zetulele. He wants to use Zetulele for getting money she need. Shira attacked Mira and blames her for Narobi coma. That is for tonight. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and comment and subscribe. Therefore, thanks.